Okay, so when you wrap your hackle, what you want to do is, before you turn, you want to pull back. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to pull up. I'm just going to pull back on these materials so they lean back as I wrap over. So you can see, so I'm pulling back, and then I'm going to wrap back over like that. And again, as I come back through, I'm going to pull all these back so they lay back nicely, just like that. Come through, and again I'm going to pull back as I turn, as I wrap. Do the same thing with this one as we're getting up close. Then as you're getting to the front, we're going to want to tie it off, but that's a little trick to help keep your hackles splaying back in the right location. And then you can always finish it up here when you get to the front. But I just wanted to provide that little tip on, again, more of the soft hackle tying tips. And we will see you in the next one.